very lovely morning to all of you. Children, welcome back with a new topic in EVS. Children, today we are going to learn vegetables. Kids, vegetables are so healthy and you have to eat vegetables because they gives us energy to do work and it helps us to stay fit and strong. Today we will learn the spellings of vegetables. So let's learn.
Kids, have you visited market with your mama to buy vegetables? There are so many vegetables in the market, so colorful and healthy. Today, we are going to know more about a few vegetables. Which vegetable is this? Brinjal. Do you remember the rhyme colors? What it taught us about brinjal? A brinjal is purple with a green crown. Brinjal is also called king of vegetables. These are green peas. After opening the green skin, we get these round seeds. Which vegetable is this? Cauliflower. Who doesn't know this vegetable? Yes, it is tomato and is used for making our favorite ketchup. This is a capsicum. Which vegetable is this? These are lady's fingers. This is a cabbage. And who eats this vegetable? Rabbits. Yes, carrots are rabbits' favorite vegetable. Which vegetable is this? It looks like carrot but is white in color. They are radishes. Children, we get lots of vegetables in winter season. These are French beans. They are also known as string beans. This is a beetroot. This is a bottle gourd. And you don't like to eat this vegetable because of its taste. It is bitter gourd and is also known as bitter melon. These are chilies. We get them in red and green color. This is onion. This is cucumber and our favorite vegetable. What is this? Potatoes. This is coriander. It is a leafy vegetable. These are mint leaves. You must be eating theplas made of methi. You know what methi is called? It is called fenugreek. What does Popeye eat to get strong? Yes, spinach. These are yellow and red capsicum. These are pumpkins. These are sweet potatoes. Cabbage and spinach are leafy vegetables. Children, all the vegetables are very good for our health as they make us strong and healthy. So you should eat all the vegetables regularly. After knowing so many things about vegetables, let us learn spellings of a few vegetables. The first vegetable we have here is potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Now let us split and learn the spelling. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Green peas. G-R-E-E-N-P-E-A-S, green peas. Children, you have already learnt the spelling of green in the topic of colors. You just have to remember the spelling of peas. Now let us split and learn it. Green peas, green peas. Green peas, green peas. Cabbage, Cabbage, cabbage. Cabbage, Cabage, cabbage. Cabbage. Radish, Radish, radish. Radish, radish. Radish, radish. Radish, radish. Carrot, Carrot, carrot. Carrot, carrot. Carrot, Carrot, carrot.
Kids, let's enjoy one fun activity. Can you see this? There are some vegetables and some spellings are written. We have to read the spelling and you have to keep the name of the vegetable. Now, first spelling is Cabbage. What is it? Cabbage. Now we have to find out where is cabbage. Where is cabbage? Is this cabbage? Yes. So we will put it here. Now the next spelling is Tomato. What is it? Tomato. Now where is tomato? Is this tomato? Yes. So you will keep it here. Now the next spelling is Onion. Onion. Where is onion? Find out where is onion. Is this onion? No. Is this onion? Yes. So you have to put in this near the spelling. Right? Now the next spelling is Potato. Potato. Where is potato? Is this potato? Yes. This is your favorite vegetable, right? Now the next spelling is Carrot. Carrot. Now where is carrot? Is this carrot? Yes. So we will put it over here. Now the next spelling Brinjal. Brinjal. Now where is brinjal? Is this brinjal? Yes. So we will put it here. Now next spelling Green green peas. Now where is green peas? Here it is. So we will put it here. Now the next spelling is Radish. Radish. Now the last vegetable radish, we will put it here. Now we will revise one more time. What is this? Cabbage, tomato, onion, potato, carrot, brinjal, green peas and radish. All these are vegetables. Did you all enjoy?
Take out your EVS book and write the heading vegetables, and the first spelling is potato. The spelling of potato is Potato. Potato. And you have to write 5 times. And here we will draw a picture of potato. First you have to draw oval shape and put some dots inside. This is potato. Now the next spelling is tomato. A T O, and write 5 times. And here we will draw picture of tomato. First we draw leaf and then circle. This is a picture of tomato. Turn your page and the next spelling is onion. O N I O N. Write 5 times. Again, do like this. Then here goes. Do like this. And now we will write spelling of carrot. C A R R O T. Write 5 times. Here we will draw carrot, slanting, slanting and slipping. Then draw some leaves like this, okay? And inside draw some lines, and here also slanting lines, small small. This is carrot. Take a new page and the next spelling is radish. R A D I S H, and write 5 times, and here we will draw radish. Slanting, slanting and slipping. Then again we will draw some leaves on the upper side like this, and inside also draw some small small lines, and here also this is a picture of radish. Now next is brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Write 5 times. Here we will draw picture of brinjal. First draw U curve, then do like this, then a curve, and here also one curve. This is brinjal. Next spelling is green peas. G R E E, and leave some space. P E A S. Green peas. Write 5 times, and here we will draw picture of green peas. First slipping line, curve, slanting line and curve. Then we will do like this and draw some circles. This is a picture of green peas. Now next spelling is cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. Write 5 times, and the picture of cabbage. Standing, standing, join with slipping. Then curve and draw some lines inside like this. This is a picture of cabbage. Now take out your new page and write heading vegetables, and here we will write the spellings of vegetables. The first spelling is potato. P O T A T O. Potato. Next spelling is tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Then next is onion. O N I O N. Onion. Then radish. R A D I S H. Radish. Then brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. The next spelling is green peas. G R E E N. Leave some space. P E A S. Peas. And cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. And the last spelling is carrot. C A R R O T. In this way, you have to write all these spellings of vegetables in your EVS book. Bye.